In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image on Jasper AI. First, open Jasper and make sure you're on the home area, the main dashboard you see when you arrive. If you're working elsewhere inside Jasper, look to the left sidebar and click Home to bring yourself back to that starting view. Being on Home keeps the prompt box and its controls easy to access. This page centers the chat style composer where you'll do all your prompting. Now, look at the prompt field at the bottom of the screen. Inside or just beside that field, you'll see a small plus icon. If you don't see the plus, click into the prompt box to reveal it. Click that plus, then choose Upload File. This is the control that lets you attach an image to the message you're about to send. When you click Upload File, your computer's file browser opens so you can point Jasper to the image you want to use. In the File window, navigate to your picture, select it, and click Open. Common formats like PNG and JPG work well. If you can, pick a clear, well-lit image and a reasonable file size so it uploads quickly. Avoid images that include private or sensitive information, since anything in the picture could be processed as context. Well-organized file names make images easier to track in your project history. Large images may take longer depending on your connection. Once the image thumbnail appears next to your prompt field, type your instruction. Be specific about what you want Jasper to do with the image. For example, you might say, summarize what's happening in this photo, or write a product caption using the attached image. If you want a certain tone, audience, or length, include that in the same message. Call out any details you care about, like colors, objects, or text it contains. Clarity here directly improves the quality of Jasper's output. When your image is attached and your instruction is ready, send it. Click the send button or simply press enter on your keyboard. Jasper will receive both your text and the image together, then generate a response based on the combination. Give it a moment to process, especially for larger files. After the response comes back, review the results and decide whether you want to refine your prompt. If the output isn't quite there, adjust your wording for greater detail or a different style and send again with the same attached image. Iterating like this helps Jasper learn your intent within the current conversation. And that's it. You've added an image to your Jasper prompt and sent it successfully. Thanks for watching and happy creating.